let's go back to building the app. Well, last week I wanted to deploy it so people can start testing, but I was thinking before deploying it, because there are a lot of steps, and before doing that I want to improve a little bit more, or maybe think about even more. Well, yeah, improve it, basically improve it. So let's do that. Okay, for this time I'm streaming on Twitch and also YouTube. So let's see how it goes. Well, the thing is that I don't know if someone chats, but if you do, be patient. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. So let's see. So far we have this. And the dog entered. Sorry. Okay. Little noisy, but it was just for a moment. Got distracted. All right. So I was saying this is what we did so far. 3 sessions. So in the first screen there are 4 steps that it will give you then it will give you the plan. So the first is to give your name, your age, the gender, the weight. Well, let's do it. Let's put whatever. No. Because in centimeters. Okay. I know what to change now. Wait. I will change add a button to change cm to change the what is it? It is cm's to centimeters to what? What is it? It's feet, right? And kilograms to pounds. What else? Then the rest is okay. Okay. Then the primary goal, it is here. You can put lose weight, build muscle, improve endurance, increase flexibility, general health, or if you want something very specific, you can add it too. So if you want something very specific, you add and say I want to, as I was doing, I want to train for parkour, I was saying last time, but this time let's put general health. Experience level, intermediate, advanced. What will you use? Body weight, full gym, resistant bands. Then here, if you have restrictions, you can add the restrictions. Let's suppose this person has what is it? What could it be? It could be a BP problems, fatty liver, then What else? What else? Low energy. Very low energy. Yeah. Okay, create my plan. And then it creates the plan. So that is how it's working so far. And right now I know what to change. One of the change will be just easy thing is add a button at the beginning and the screen one, step one. Add a button on step one. On I'm writing in text to change centimeters to feet and kilograms to pound. So that is the thing to change. Okay, I got it. Empower your health, a gentle start for stronger you. Okay, it is aware about the problems, so it tells reduce sugars, refined grains, unhealthy fats, etc., etc. So here it gives you the routine, but also the nutrition plan. So it tells you what to eat and look very different. Quinoa salad looks very good. Well, not looks. Well, I'm imagining veggies and hummus, baked salmon, tasty. I like it. So here you start workout. Well, we have a history here, but since it is a new one, it is from 0. So we can start the workout. It says arm circles. Why is 0 1? It should be, well, let's put I think there is a bug there. Let's add 30 seconds. Okay. Something is weird there. Last time it was working, but I don't know, something happened. When we start the workouts, the chronometer is starting at 0:02. Not in the right time. Okay, that is something to change. Oh, 0:01. No, it's starting at 0 or other number not in the right time. Yeah, 0:01. Well, this is okay. Recovery, it's okay. Red settings we can change. That is good. I think this we should be able to change also in the no, I think it's okay. I was thinking in the workouts when you're stretching or doing something, but it's okay because it tells you to do 30 seconds of something, so you shouldn't modify because it's giving you the I hung it up. I was thinking it's giving you basically what to do, so no need to change. So look, this set of 1 of 3, it gets hidden. Let's see if on mobile there is no tablet looks good. Current screen size, according to my screen it looks good, but I think it's because of this. Yes, it's because of that. So So it's okay, no need to change that. But maybe on mobile, we can do the change, and it should not be able to rotate. I will tell that. Okay. And then what else? I'm doing glute bridge, knee plank, skip. Let's, well, on cooldown it is okay. So that's something I have to say. Not at the right time in the warm up. In cool down, it seems to work fine. Okay. Let's see. Complete. Okay, how was it? Good, hard? This is, if you put too easy, it should improve and give harder exercises, and if you put just right, just maintain, and too hard, it should be easier. So, and according to your feedback, you can say I'm feeling this, or I cannot breathe, for example, or something like that. It should do some changes according to that, or change the exercises too. So I'm feeling I will put too hard, I'm having backache. Okay, I'm having backache. Let's see what it says. I finished my water. I should brought water. Well, it is just 1 hour that I'll be here, so it will pass fast. Rebuilding strength, and yeah, does it. Given your backache and previous workout being too hard, we're focusing on very gentle, low impact routine. Listen intently to your body, and sharp pain means stop immediately. Proper form is paramount over speed or number of reps. Okay, this gives me an idea that for future versions, not right now, it could watch you and tell you if you're doing it right or wrong. Yeah. For your BP problems, fatty liver, and low energy, the meal emphasize lean proteins covered. Blah blah blah. The rest is okay. It's about the food. So gentle cat cow, pelvic tilts, knee chest hold, assisted chair squats. Okay, yes, it changes. Oatmeal, yeah, the meals is still good. So now there is a history. So with this history, you see the difference. Bird dog, knee plank, glute bridges, they were directly to the point, and the others were very, now the new ones are very friendly. So that's the difference. And every time you do one day, it should be adding and stacking up. So I don't know if it's the best way, but so far it's working like this. So let's do the changes that I see now. And also I will mention for the mobile version. For mobile view, do not let to change to, what is it? To rotate. You need let to rotate, and some things are getting hidden or not shown. Let's see what if it does. Okay, so now I'm improving Step 1, that is to change centimeters to feet, kilograms to pounds. Adjust the button. Then at the beginning of the workouts, the chronometer starts in a random number, not the right time. So that's especially in the warm up. That's something that I'm telling to change. And the mobile view, do not let to rotate because it won't fit at all. And some things are getting hidden or not shown. So it should be, we will check if there is a change there. So that's it. That is the next improvement. But I see that I'm getting stuck with this. So I'm streaming. Yeah. Okay, it's almost finished. Okay, it is here. Wait, hate. Yeah. All right. Mobile. We will try mobile. Let's see. It is okay. It's still good. Not letting to rotate. I like that. Even it's rotated, there is no change in the screen, so I think it's okay. But it should not allow to rotate. Maybe there is a different way to say it, or it is working fine. I think when publishing, I will know. So current monitor size, it's okay here this way. I will be changing both. Okay. So centimeters, height and feet, inches, pounds. All right. Okay. Okay, good. It is not allowing to add this. The dog entered. The dog entered again. Dog entered? Yeah. All right. Well, it is good. I wanted to see if it accepts in H letters. It doesn't. Hate also letters. No. It doesn't accept just numbers. Ciao. Ah. Anyway. All right. Then I will test later, but I want to see what else I could improve. Okay, these were already done, but I'm not running out of ideas, but I don't want to complicate it more. So what I would like to have is a database. But if I do a database in order to have like different users and store it, it will create an API for my database in Cloudflare. No, not Cloudflare. Since I'm using Gemini, it will use something with the environment. I don't know if I want to complicate that yet until I have an MVP that is working. So the next step for this, I think it should be, so far it's okay, but it should show how it's the exercise done. So for this I will need videos or images to have that exercise. But the problem is that since it is not deterministic, I mean, by not deterministic, it is that the exercise and everything is kind of random depending of the information that it's given. Not random, but it depends of the AI. So the image or the video, it would limit all the exercise that it can be done. So that'll be a problem. What I'm thinking is how to be able to show, even though there is a way that it's showing the, well, it is explaining how to do the exercise, but it is not showing. Sometimes it's better to show the exercise in order to see if you're doing it right or not. But that is something that I would like to add. So I don't know how to do that. I don't know if I can ask that. I would like to add an image or video in order to show how to do the exercise. But I don't want to limit. I don't want to limit the options. Is there a way to generate, well, not to generate, I don't want to generate because it will cost a lot. Is there a way to know the to have a full list of the possible exercise that might be given? Let's see if I can get an answer. Condensed exercise. Yes, I can get an answer here. Interesting. Hello, someone is watching. Hello, hello. Let me know where you are because I'm streaming on YouTube and also Twitch. It'll be nice if you tell me where you are watching this. Well, actually, two persons. So I also know if the chat is working because supposedly I'm able to see the chat here. I'm using the Restream, so I'm testing. Okay, so no. It is doing another thing, so I think I'll need to roll back all the, I don't know, let's see what it tried to do. Let's see, I would like to add, okay, no, and run. To satisfy your request, I will implement a dynamic visual guide system. Since the workout is AI generated, there is no fixed list of exercises. That's what I was saying. The AI can suggest anything to solve this. I will add a visual guide feature to the workout session that uses Gemini image generator model to create an illustrative image for any exercise on the fly. I will also add an exercise library where you can search for and generate guides for any exercise you can think of. Okay, it's doing what I didn't want to because it will be creating the images on the fly. So every time we'll be generating images. Well, it'll be one per, well, the list of exercise we saw, it can be like at least 10, so it will be 10 images. So I don't think it's a good solution. Let's see. Onboard metric imperial finalized told step 1. Wait, okay. Timer fix. Okay. Exercise visual workout integration. See form guide bottom during exercise. It triggers prompt to Gemini Flash to generate a high quality fitness illustration of a specific movement. Exercise library. A new navigation option in the header to search for any exercise and see the description plus AI generated image. See, it will generate the images. Blue theme rest to cover screen the main workout phrase on the streak. Okay, it is. I like that, but it will be costly. I like the visual guide generation generate, but it will cost too much since it will be generated every day and at least there are 10 images. Is it possible to store? I don't know if it'll be to store. Here is the complication, but let's put to store locally, and if the exercise is repeated, just use that image again. Let's see. It doesn't answer, but it gives a solution. Let's see how the solution works this time. Oh, someone was watching. I said to say hello, and now it's gone. Got scared. Sorry. Okay, let's see what it's saying. I like the visual. Okay, here. To optimize your experience and save API cost, I will implement a local caching system using IndexedDB. This allows the app to store any generated exercise image on your device indefinitely. If the same exercise appears again in the future workout, the app will generate it from the local database instead of calling the Gemini API. So this is good. This is better. I will also update the nutrition generation instructions to strictly aim for your requested macro targets. Blah, blah, blah. Did I say that? Protein, carbs, fats for every meal. I didn't say that. No, I will tell this. This is not real, really. It is getting confused because I just say, what is this PCF? That's all. I didn't say to strictly aim for this. No. Image per systems created. Okay, smart reveal. Update generate exercise visual to check the local cache first. Strict macros, persistent visuals. Okay. I like. All right. Strict macros were just are not needed. It is open as before and restricted according the user requests at step 4. Also, it would be nice to have a preparation instructions for cooking for the meal and a image an image even a full guide for buying things for the day. Yeah, I think this will be good. Buying for the day. The image as the workouts should have the database, so it will store locally. Okay, let's see how it works like this. Okay, it's working. While it works, I will check something because I'm getting a booking, so I want to see if the book it is fine. That is for my job. The good thing is that I work at home. Okay. Where it is? It is for tomorrow at 11. I don't know if he wants 11 really. Está bien. Hora del Pacífico. What time is this? It is for 12. Yeah. No creo que la hora está mal. Okay, sorry. Let's go back. Let's see what it did. It did something. Types. Well, it says update meal and plan types to include preparation instruction grocery list. Okay. Remove strict macro constraints and preparation grocery schemas and add visual journals and caching. Okay. Add meal visuals, preparation instruction, and shopping guide section to the dashboard. Okay. There are a lot of things new now. Let's see. Name GH40. Gender. Let's leave it Height, weight, 70, 170. Okay, let's see. Switch to imperial. Okay, kilogram 70, 170. Okay, it's okay. General health, increase flexibility. Yeah, let's put that. Increase flexibility to see what is the difference. Beginner, body weight only. Let's put advanced. Let's see that difference. Restrictions. Vegan, let's say vegan. 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 Vegetan? No. Vegan meal. Vegan meals only. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's okay. Create my plan. I hope it doesn't hurt too much generating too many images. But we'll see. I will run out of of tokens. Okay, this is advanced bodyweight mobility flow. It is designed to challenge your endurance, strength, key, and deepen your flexibility through active stretching and isometric. Okay, to maximize flexibility, focus on. Okay, warm up. Okay, 8 items. Cool down. All right, it's given 8 atoms, but it's not. Ah, yes, it's giving me the calories here when I hover the mouse. All right, what it says here. Ah, hey, but too bad. This is again PCF. It is. I wanted to have it fully shown, so I will have to say it again. So preparation. Crumble tofu into a pan over medium heat. Stir into pepper and spinach and cook until good. Serve on toasted slice of avocado top. Ingredients. Okay, it is good. It is good. It is good. Okay, ginger. Okay, this looks interesting. Let's generate. Let's generate the visual. Let's see if it really generates well. No, I don't know. I think so. I don't know, but this looks tofu. Stir fry tempeh. Cube the tempeh and stir fry in a non-stick pan until golden. And sliced peppers. Sliced peppers. These peppers. Okay, these are the peppers. Broccoli with a slash of water stem. Stir ginger and soy sauce. Serve on warm brown rice. Here's the brown rice. Okay, I think it's okay. Shopping. Trim tofu. Okay, but okay, it has the list, but it doesn't tells me how much. Fresh spinach, how much. Turmeric powder, how much max or minimum, of course. Avocado. Pro tip: buy in bulk for shared ingredients to save more money and time. That is true. Library. Okay. Here's the library, but it's okay. The library is just for the workouts. It'll be good to keep also the library for the for the for the meals, right? Okay, start. Let's start. Okay, stretch, cat cow stretch. That is the warm up. It's okay. Next exercise. Step into front. Yeah, it is okay. But it changed here. there is no the skip. Something happened with the skip. Nah, that's not good. It is changing everything. I have to do this in a modular way so it doesn't change everything. Okay. See, it changed everything. Target reps, next step. It messed up a lot because we did many changes, I guess. Yeah. Let's see visual guy. Cow pose, Bahasana holds. Balance your weight and hands. Okay, let's create visuals. Illustrated for. I don't think that's a good. Is it right? I don't think so. Ah, the image is totally wrong. Or this is right. Cow pose. Let's look for in Google. Cow pose basada holds. No, it's like that. Look. It is like that, but I don't know. No, this is wrong. This is right. This is wrong. Yeah, it is wrong. It is telling you to break and twist. I don't know what it's telling. But okay. We'll see if the next image can do it fine. Okay, next set. Skip cow pose. Skip. Of course, it has. It shouldn't delete. Okay, that is good. Active dragon pose. Let's see. I want a visual guy. Generating. Maybe we will see. Okay. Not yet, babe. I'm still. I hold it. Thank you. Are you okay?
I'm so tired.
Okay. Yes, confirm. Yeah. Active dragon pose. Looks okay. This one looks okay. Yeah. But the other hand is not clear, but I think it's okay. Yeah, that one is okay. See, dragon pose. What happened with that? Dragon pose, I guess this is the one. Dragon pose, yes. I guess there is a little change. Ay, mosquito. How to avoid that the image is not right? Like it happened. How to avoid that? Dragon pose. I think I got bitten by the mosquito. Active dragon pose. Which one? Dragon pose. I think it's all of them, but there is none that says active. But I guess this image is okay. But how to double check if the image is right? Okay, that's the thing. just right. Save and update. Okay. There should be a regenerate to generate again if the image is wrong, I guess, so far. But there should be a way to check if the image is well done or not. So that is something I have to think how to fix that. Okay, the workout, cat cow, nutrition. See, it is good. The bad thing, it is PCF. It is back to what it was before. So I have to do this more modular so it doesn't change everything. So components, buttons, okay, dashboard. Here's the dashboard. Hero card. Okay. It's getting slow. React. Cons meal card. React. Return. Class name. Well, there are very few components that I need to do to improve this, and those are rules. So those rules I have to learn how to add them and to make it more modular, because really changing that way and everything, it messed up a lot of things. So I don't want that. So, well, I've never coded in React, but I have an idea. Then this dashboard, I think it should be another thing. It should be split in many others. Exercise library. Okay, this is the library. I would like to have the meal library also. So history view, history. This is the photos that are stored. Loading screen. This is the loading screen. That is good. Onboarding. Okay, this is the onboarding that did the changes as I like. So the dashboard is for the meals and everything. Okay, I understand now. Onboarding are the 4 steps, and the workout set session. Okay. Index HTML. Well, I'm showing the code, but it's okay. I am vibe coding with you. Okay. So those rules are very important. It is not how, I don't remember how it's called, but it's a way to tell the AI to how to proceed with the whole project. So I have to check that out, and with that I will be able to improve the whole project, doing it more modular, or for me, I call it modular. I don't know how it's called, but it will help me to to make the changes, but not in everything, just in one part. So that'll be the important thing, so it doesn't mess up and change all of the things. Um, so I will be checking some videos to learn about this. So fast, but it was a good improvement. Generated images and see, see the changes. It was funny, that image. It was really fun. Actually those images have to I don't know how to double check before it generates, but until I understand how it's done, I have to make like a regenerate image if it's not okay. So it's something like that. Yeah. Okay. I'm having tea. Do you like ginger tea? Even though I'm in Philippines, I like to drink ginger tea. The first time I drank ginger tea, it was in China, and it was winter, one of the coldest winters. It was 2013, 2012, 2012, and it was so cold, 25 degrees below Celsius, degrees below zero, and I was waiting for someone outside a restaurant, and she took like, I don't know, she was late like 10 minutes, but it was like a lot of time for me. And when we entered, I said, I'm freezing. She said, okay, I will get you a ginger tea with milk, and I got warm so fast. So I liked since then. But right now I don't drink because I am cold, because I'm in Philippines. Imagine there is no cold in Philippines. But I like because I like. It is just pure ginger tea. My wife also likes now. It helps to her kidney and liver, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so that'll be the close up. I hope you see something interesting here, and if you like what I'm doing, or you have questions, or you know how to improve this, let me know. Also, let me know if you like the idea of this app. It's develop well, I'm developing to use it. The first user will be myself, and myself, and then my wife. And for my wife, I know what to add, so I have more ideas right now. But right now I'm building it for me, so I'm thinking this is for me, but also I'll be thinking next for my wife. So that's it. Well, let's go and see you next time. Bye.